Hi, and welcome to a video demonstration of IG4's next generation product suite, the eGovHub. We're going to show you a few things here, but some of the real innovations that we've delivered in our product suite. The first of these is content management of the business application itself. So users are very familiar with the fact that they can update their website using content management systems. And so we've provided that same functionality inside our actual application. So users have got access to a rich text editor to change the content of their form and make it extremely localized to themselves. And that includes things like adding hyperlinks and adding images for visual purposes. So as you can see here, we've added some text and we've made the form more contextual to the way that the user wants at the click of a button. As well as this, the forms all have dynamic behavior, so that users are only providing information which is actually relevant and they're not having to answer any questions which is not pertinent to their circumstances. So as you can see here, as a user presses yes, the field becomes available. As a user selects some options, multiple extra pages become available. The other thing that we have is we have the ability for users to upload evidence to support their application or whatever they're reporting online. So they can upload evidence as a part of their online application, making even more of it digital. We also have this extremely amazing functionality, which is this Smartform technology. So we use the data that the citizens provided within their online form to recognize other online services. But most importantly, we actually make sure that those other online services also update line of business applications. When the application is received, we have a full audit trail of how long it took to complete it. We also can access any uploaded files, as you can see here. So from a single location, a user can access all the information. We also have reporting information in the back office, which highlights all of the forms that have been received and any demographical information. The application also has the capability to build forms, and it also has the ability with the content management to add extra languages and therefore support multiple languages, such as in Spain, where they may support Catalan and Spanish. Here you can see that I'm adding Italian as a translation, and therefore Italian is going to be supported as well. If I click to Italian and press go, you can see that the text that we've just changed and added a translation for exists. So in a click of a button, we've been able to add an extra language. With the designer, you also have the ability to add questions, change rules, and basically add business logic to the form yourself. So with a very user-friendly interface, we can select fields, all with built-in logic. We can add checkboxes, we can add drop-downs and things like that, and that's what I'm going to illustrate here. So in this instance, we're adding a checkbox which is no and yes. Following on from that, we're going to have a drop-down which allows the user to build a drop-down. So this is just illustrating how simple it is to build a drop-down within the application. It's simply a case of saving them and adding them and then pressing OK. The next thing that we have in the application is the ability to have business logic. So by virtue of having business logic in the application, we can make sure that the form is intelligent and a systems administrator can build rules into the online forms extremely quickly. So in this instance, we're going to make several questions disappear when the answer to a drop-down is no. So as you can see, we're selecting the question, we're then going to select the option. In this instance, it's going to be no. So where the answer is no, we're going to hide several questions. And else, and therefore where it's yes, show the questions that you want to appear. So we're adding business logic using a visual interface, and it makes it a lot simpler for non-technical staff to build forms. And as you can see, when it's set to no, the questions are hidden. Setting it to yes, the questions are revealed. The really great thing about our services is that they are all available on mobile. So that form which I've just delivered and just created in less than a minute is now available on a mobile device as well. And that includes the language selections. We also have a very nice flick away to the navigation bar, which you just saw there. As you can see, the logic that we just built into the form is available in the mobile device instantly. So you have realization of mobile devices available to use the form the second you've created it. That's a very quick look at our application. For more details, go to www.ig4.com.